Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay without the double click side button in 2025. A simple trick that makes paying faster and smoother. Let's get into it. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode if your device uses Touch ID. Enter the passcode to access the settings. Next, look for the option labeled Require Attention for Face ID and turn it off if you want to speed up your authentication. Now, to disable the double-click side button, to open the Apple Pay, scroll down and find double-click side button. Toggle it off. This means Apple Pay won't automatically launch when you double-click the button anymore. To use Apple Pay now, simply wake your iPhone with the screen on and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID when you hold it near a contactless reader. No need to double-click anything. For a device without Apple ID, just unlock your iPhones and bring it near the reader to pay. And that's it. A faster, smoother way to use Apple Pay without double click. If this helped you out, hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. Catch you in the next one.